Hello there and welcome to Elapsed Time. This is lesson 3. So the question says, work out the elapsed time between the times on the two clocks, then choose the correct option. So elapsed timing means how much time has actually passed between two different times. So what we're going to do here is we are going to start from here, this particular clock, and we're going to finish here. So what's the start time? So the start time is 7:20. In other words, 20 past 7. And the finish time is 7:55. In other words, 5 minutes to 8. So let's move forward, and we're going to count in fives, by the way. Okay, we're going to count in fives, and let's work out what the actual time is going to be. Okay, so let's start with this clock here. So the big hand, we're going to be going up in 5 minutes each. So just follow my my line as we go along. So from 4, we're going to go 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35 minutes. So remember, we're finishing at 11. So we're starting at 4 and we're finishing at 11. So again, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. So the answer in this case is 35 minutes in total. That's the amount of time that has elapsed, or in other words, the amount of time that has passed from the first clock to our second clock. Thank you.